Take a ride in the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, automatic air conditioning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.